My husband's moderate hearing loss and constant ringing in his ears is a source of frustration on a daily basis. I'm Gina with WTI, and he's been using these Cearvol-Wave Lite hearing aids. Some things that he likes about it are number one, having the AI enhanced clarity helps to give him something else to concentrate on besides the ringing in his ear. And with the Bluetooth connection, he can stream white noise straight in. But because the mic is always on and aware, it's not interrupting voices or other things that are going on around him, and it really helps him to cope. Secondly, these are not behind the ear and they look like he's just wearing a pair of earbuds. If you've never used a hearing aid before, my husband has a tip for you. It can take 3 to 4 weeks for your brain to adjust. So, in order to get that balance back with hearing different noises, you really need to be consistent. As a spouse of someone who has hearing loss, some things that I love about these, he can plug the auxiliary cable that comes with this into the projector or music or TV that he's listening to. And then it doesn't have to be blaring. Plus, he can still hear me. These hearing aids can really give you back some confidence and help you to be actively involved with conversations. And that's our point of view.